You've got to work on yourself for you, not for your kids, not for your partner, not for your family, but you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is all about working on yourself for you. You have to want to do things for yourself. You can't be influenced by your partner, you can't be influenced by your business partner, you can't be influenced by your kids. You have to want a better life for yourself. Yes, it's fine that your kids may be your why, but essentially it comes down to you. What do you really want? What does your perfect life look like? And those people that you care about, those people that you love so much, they need you to be your best version of yourself. You can't fully be there and be present for your family, for your children, for your business if you're having emotional problems, if you're not financially there, if you're not your whole self, if you're not a whole rounded person, if you feel like you're sacrificing things just for people. We see this so many times where, especially women, we put our careers aside, just to be able to look after the babies, and then what happens is you're just a mother, and then in the long run you really look back and think, I didn't follow through with acting, I didn't really get to start my business, I didn't really get to have a successful career because I put my life aside to be able to raise my children. Yes, that's absolutely great, that's lovely, as you should, but you have to really think about you. Who are you as a person? Who are you when you're not a mother? You still have your own dreams and your own passions. Who are you when you're not a wife or a husband? You're still a person. You have to do things for yourself as well. You have to do things that are meaningful to you without being pushed. Sometimes your partner may be pushing you and steering you towards a direction, but if you don't really want that for yourself, how far do you really think you will go? If you don't really want success for yourself, I don't mean that as in wealthy with loads of money, but success in the way you see it, then you're not really going to get far. You have to really want things for yourself. You have to really think, I'm a person first, I'm a human being. What do I want? Yes, I've got children, I've got a family to raise, I've got a business, but what is it that I enjoy? Who am I without all these other labels? So you have to really do things for yourself. Don't be that person that's put their dreams aside, that person that let life take over, and then you look back and you're 70 years old and then you realize that you didn't really care. You cared for everyone else but neglected yourself. You have to be able to put yourself first. That doesn't mean be selfish, but put yourself in a position where you're happy first, you're happy internally. You can only be an even better parent, you can only be an even better partner, a better friend if you're in a good mental space, if you know who you are, if you live life within your morals, if you live a life of integrity and you put yourself first. You do things for you do things that will improve the family, yes, that will improve your overall relationships, but they're there for you. They're fueled by you and not everyone else, not your partner, not your children, no one else but yourself. Okay, make sure that you choose yourself all the time and strive to become a better version of yourself. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.